Sila naman ang shopping yung moving to Manila again. Both of them tonight. Older ones to study.
And welcome to another episode of Lex and Candace Tupa's Family Adventures. I'm Lex, and this is... And this is... Lex Tom. Here's baby Alexander, almost 4 weeks already. And there's Mommy Candace and Ate Alexa. To say your name. So we're on our way to the Palacio of Archbishop Lazo for the blessing of Alexander. So it's not yet the baptism, so it takes a few more months because we want Alexander to complete his pertussis before he can be brought to Manila or wherever. So we would like to keep him safe. So for now, blessing Anay para he will be blessed by God and then mapalayo siya or mapapalayo siya sa kahit anumang sakit or virus. So all of us had our pertussis shots. And some of those in the household had their flu shots. So we're on our way. Alexander's blessing. Let's go, guys. So we're on our way to the Archbishop's Palace, right? You know, guys, this is not our first to have a blessing of one of our kids. It's the second time. Because the first one was with you, Lexi. Because during that time, it was the pandemic. So we couldn't have a baptism even after 3 months or so. So your baptism was a year after you were born. So naging one time na lang, big time celebration, but it was an intimate celebration, right, Lexi? So now it's for baby Alexander. Enjoy.
You made it straighter.
We're here, guys. Guys, we're here now in the Archbishop's Palace. Oh no, there's a doggy. Careful, careful. This is the back entrance, guys. Alexander will be blessed by Archbishop Lazo. Yes. Okay, so we're inside the Archbishop's Palace. And we're going up. Beautiful steps, right? It's a beautiful chapel here inside the Archbishop's residence.
Likewise, you God, offer to us sinner of human life and goodness,